We feel when you're ordering a product, especially a manufactured product or something that's machined, very complex, may have multiple steps, may go to multiple vendors, we feel it's important that you can be able to talk to somebody, an engineer, a production manager, a customer service rep, that you can get a hold of somebody within that shop, get an update, talk about your product, get feedback on what's going on. That's important to us. And I think a lot of shops nowadays just take your order and then may contact you when it's done, may not contact you when it's done. It just goes into their system, it comes out the other end. You don't know if things are going well, you don't know if things are going bad, you don't know if it's going to be on time, you don't know if it's going to be late, you don't know if there's any issues within the process, you don't get any feedback on possibly design for manufacturing. Is there a way to change the product slightly to make it more efficient to run or to bring the cost down? And our team provides that for our customers. We feel it's that important that we're going to take care of you or our customer however we need to.